Hello, my friends. Happy conference weekend and Easter next week. It really is a sweet time to be a seminary teacher. I also recognize that many of you have spring break this coming week, so you might only be teaching one or two, maybe even no lessons. So I wanted to just share some ideas of how you might still help your students both capture what came from conference as well as look forward to Easter. You're going to see in the email that I send out several different tools. One, as soon as I have one, I'll send out a conference view activity. Don't feel that you have to use that. Just know it'll be available. It's usually like a Jeopardy or Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, just some sort of game. Whether you use that or some idea, I hope you'll take a whole day and just go into the words of prophets and remind what you thought, what you felt, what you saw, what you heard, and testify prophets. And if there were any specific invitations that stood out to you or impressed you that any of our prophets or leaders gave, boy, I invite you to just share those with your youth, with your students, and let them kind of just soak in the words of prophets. For Easter, the church has created an Easter study plan. Let me just click on that and show you what I'm talking about. It's in the Gospel Library app or online, and it goes through the entire week and key events that took place each day. It's a beautiful way that you can take your students through Passover week and take them to the words of the Savior, the events and activities of the Savior, with questions, with videos. It really is just fantastic. On that same note, I'm sending you a document that captures kind of the same thing, a little bit abbreviated, all in one document. And then finally, the church has produced two videos. You can see they're very short, 1:42 and 1:22, trying to just capture how Easter still impacts and matters to us today. And you can just click on the link to get right to those videos. I hope these are a blessing for you, and not just for your students, but truly that you have a week through this conference up to next Easter, that you have this 7-day period of rest and renewal and reconnection to the Savior and His grace and power. Just know that I love you, I think the world of you, and pray for you often, even by name. Please, if there's anything Annie or I can do to be supporting you personally or you as a teacher and your students, we are here for you. God bless you, my friends. Take care. Thank you.